Did the shipment arrive from the refinery yet?
Yes, it's being processed now. We should have the raw gold by 8.
The temperature in chamber 3 is stabilizing.
Good, the purity levels are exceeding projections.
The laser scan on Sector 4 shows a minor anomaly.
It's within tolerance, but let's rerun the spectral analysis just to be sure.
Inside India's $12 billion gold chain industry, every luxury chain is tracked, verified, and inspected before leaving the factory.
Subiendo, cuidado con las manos. Un poco más a la derecha, listo. Empujen ahora.
This massive factory produces thousands of luxury gold chains every single day, using advanced industrial manufacturing systems. The secret behind these luxury gold chains is precision, consistency, and an industrial process worth billions of dollars. Even during the night, India's giant gold factories continue operating to meet global luxury demand.
This is the secret industrial process behind India's luxury gold chain empire. A billion-dollar system.
From this giant factory in Mumbai, luxury gold chains are shipped to jewelry markets around the world.
Inside India's billion-dollar gold industry, molten gold moves through a carefully controlled manufacturing process.
Check the throughput on line 3.
Looks stable. We are ahead of schedule.
Every single chain is polished, tested, inspected, and perfected before reaching luxury jewelry stores. This massive facility in Mumbai processes tons of gold each year, protected by state-of-the-art security and armored transport. This secret industrial system powers one of the largest luxury gold manufacturing industries in the world. Inside India's $12 billion gold chain industry, precision and luxury come together through massive industrial manufacturing systems. This giant factory produces thousands of luxury gold chains every day for global jewelry markets. From molten gold to luxury jewelry, this is the secret process behind India's billion-dollar gold chain empire. Inside this glowing factory, synchronized machinery crafts millions of dollars worth of gold every night.